What's up, guys? It's your boy, Yes, and today we're about to get soaked. We're talking epic splashes, insane drops, and enough adrenaline to power a small city. Welcome to Yas Waterworld, the ultimate destination for waterslide enthusiasts. This place is like a water park on steroids with over 40 different rides and attractions. It's absolutely insane. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're diving into the top 5 slides that you absolutely cannot miss. We're talking about the kind of slides that'll have you screaming with delight one minute and clinging to your friends the next. So buckle up, grab your swim trunks, and let's get this party started. Alright guys, first up we got the Dawama. And trust me, this thing lives up to its name. We're talking about a 6-person water slide, so grab your bravest buddies because you're gonna want someone to hold on to. This monster of a slide is shaped like a giant funnel and it's going to have you spinning around like you're caught in a tornado. You're going to be dropping, twisting, and turning all at the same time. And just when you think the ride is over, bam! You're plunged into a massive splash pool below. Talk about a grand finale. But here's the best part. The Dawama is known for being the world's largest 6-person tornado water slide. That's right, you heard me correctly. So if you're looking for a ride that's gonna blow your mind, and maybe your swimsuit off, then the Dawama is the one for you. Next up, we've got the Liwa Loop. And let me tell you, this one's not for the faint of heart. This is the kind of slide that separates the thrill seekers from the, well, let's just say the less adventurous. Imagine this. You step into a capsule, the floor literally disappears beneath your feet, and you're sent hurtling down a near vertical loop at speeds that'll make your head spin. It's like being shot out of a cannon, except instead of landing in a net, you're rocketing through a watery loop-de-loop. And the best part? You get to do it all over again. The Liwa Loop is all about that pure, unadulterated adrenaline rush. It's the kind of ride that'll have you screaming again, even as your heart tries to escape through your throat. So, if you're an adrenaline junkie who lives for the thrill of the drop, then the Liwa Loop is calling your name. Just be sure to bring a change of underwear, just in case. Alright, thrill seekers, get ready for the Jebel Drop. This slide is all about that feeling of freefall, that moment of pure weightlessness as you plummet towards the water below. Imagine this. You're standing at the top of a towering structure, looking out over the entire park. You can see everything from up here, all the other slides, the laughing crowds, the whole 9 yards. Then you take a deep breath, step into the launch chamber, and drop. You're sent hurtling down an almost vertical slide, the wind whipping past your face, the water rushing beneath you. The Jebel Drop is designed to mimic the feeling of jumping off a cliff, only instead of jagged rocks, you're landing in a refreshing pool of water. So, if you're brave enough to take the plunge, the Jebel Drop is waiting for you. Just remember to smile for the camera on the way down. Hold on tight, folks, because we're about to ride the Bandit Bomber. This isn't your average water slide, this is a full-blown water coaster, the first of its kind in the world. We're talking over 1,000 meters of twists, turns, drops, and even special effects. You'll be soaring through tunnels, dodging water jets, and even dropping water bombs on unsuspecting bystanders below. It's like being in your own action movie, except instead of explosions, you've got refreshing splashes of water. But here's the real kicker, the Bandit Bomber is interactive. That's right, you get to control the action. As you're racing through the course, you'll have the chance to trigger special effects like water cannons and laser beams. So if you're ready for an experience that's part water slide, part video game, and all around awesome, then the Bandit Bomber is the ride for you. Last but not least, we've got the Falcon's Filage, and this one's a real crowd pleaser. It's the perfect ride for families and groups who want to experience the thrill of a water slide together. Imagine this. You and your friends pile into a giant raft, holding on tight as you're launched into a winding, watery labyrinth. You'll be twisting and turning through dark tunnels, splashing through waterfalls, and even encountering a few surprises along the way. The Falcon's Filage is all about sharing the fun with your friends and family. It's the kind of ride that'll have everyone laughing and screaming together, creating memories that'll last a lifetime. And the best part? It's suitable for all ages, so even the little ones can get in on the action. So gather your crew, hop in a raft, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure on the Falcon's Filage. Well, there you have it, folks. Those are the top 5 slides at Yas Waterworld that'll have you screaming for more. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through Yas Waterworld's best slides. We had a blast showing you all the insane drops, twists, and turns this incredible water park has to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thrilling adventures. And be sure to let us know in the comments which slide you're most excited to try. Until next